Hi friends, I hope you are having a really great summer. I'm sharing with you in today's video some quick, easy, and delicious 4th of July snacks and appetizers. I love this time of year. There is so many functions going on, so many barbecues and parties, and 4th of July is one of my favorite holidays. So I have some really awesome themed food snack ideas for you. So let's check out my 4th of July snacks and appetizers. For this, I'm using a round platter and I have a cookie cutter shaped as a star in the center. I'm gonna use a layer of strawberries that have already been cleaned and cut up. Now I'm gonna do a little layer of, I have some jumbo marshmallows. My kids just love marshmallows, so this is a really fun festive treat. So I'm just gonna layer these around. Now I'm gonna use some raspberries. You can do another layer of strawberries if you want, but any red fruit, you can even do watermelon if you wanted. So I'm just doing a layer of my raspberries and I'm gonna kind of push them to the side and make it nice and round. And then once I have these little strawberries in, I'm gonna do some mini marshmallows to make another little row of white. Just be super patriotic, and I just love doing 4th of July themed foods. It is such a fun time of year to get festive at our parties. So I'm gonna add in some small marshmallows into this star in the center also. I will link this set of cookie cutters that I got that is all star shapes. There's lots of different sizes, so I always use these for my 4th of July appetizers. But I added in some blueberries. You can do some blackberries as well. Such a perfect fruit tray. Now I'm gonna do a flag-shaped salami and cheese, and this is just a huge hit. We just love anything salami and cheese related, so it's so fun to make it festive with a flag. I'm using some Monterey Jack cheese, but use any kind of white cheese, cut into some small little squares. This is so simple and easy. The whole family loves it, the kids love it, so I just really like making this one because it's so easy and just so tasty. And you probably already have these things on hand anyways. I'm using my same cookie cutter set. This is just a small star, and I'm gonna cut some pieces of cheese into the star, and this is ready to go. It doesn't get any easier. I'm gonna do another fruit tray because we just absolutely love fruit in the summertime. We just devour the fruit. So I'm gonna do a flag with some my strawberries that I already have washed and cut up into small pieces. I'm gonna do some white, some vanilla coated pretzels, yogurt covered pretzels, and these are a huge, huge hit. My kids love chocolate covered pretzels, yogurt covered pretzels. They're just a huge hit. I'm gonna do another layer of strawberries. I'm gonna make this into my flag. So I'm just gonna keep layering the red strawberries and the white yogurt covered pretzels, and you can change out the fruits. You can do raspberries or watermelon or any red fruit that you like. I'm gonna do the little blue part of the flag up on the top left with some blueberries. You can use blackberries if you would like. We're big blueberry fans in our house, and strawberry fans, if you can tell. So I'm gonna add in another layer of my red and white stripes with my pretzels and my strawberries. So just layer as much as you can. I'm using my cookie sheet, but you can do any kind of rectangle shaped platter that you have will work great with this. My cookie sheet, I just love doing this nice big platter of this fruit and pretzels. I'm going to use some white chocolate chips to do some little dots on top of the blue for like little stars. Super festive and cute, and so easy. Huge, huge hit. I'm going to make my favorite summertime dip is this TikTok viral boat dip. It's super easy. It's really great for 4th of July. I have sour cream. I'm using the whole tub of sour cream. There's only a few ingredients in this. It's so easy and it's so good. I have a can of rotel tomatoes that I'm going to add into the sour cream. I have a packet of taco seasoning. We love anything with taco seasoning in our house. I have some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to use 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, add that in. And this dip is ready to go. Just give it a really good mix. You can make this ahead of time and just store it in the refrigerator, and it is just amazing. It's very addicting, a huge, huge crowd pleaser, and it's so perfect to take to your 4th of July barbecues or parties. So I'm just going to add this onto my little festive 4th of July platter, and you are all set, ready to go. So this is going to be, I have these cracked pepper and olive oil Triscuits. I'm going to line these out on my platter. You can use any kind of platter you want, but I love this red one that's just festive for 4th of July. I'm going to add some whipped cream cheese, just a little spread onto each of these Triscuits. And then after I spread this whipped cream on, I'm going to add a strawberry on here, and I just think strawberries are so perfect for summertime. They're so fresh and delicious, but they are just a really great 4th of July food, just any kind of barbecue party or picnic type food. So I sliced my strawberries into some kind of thinner slices. I'm going to add them on top of the cream cheese. This is such a delicious combination. It seems maybe kind of weird, but it is delicious. I'm going to drizzle with a balsamic glaze, and this is just makes it, it's so good. And this appetizer does not get any easier. Just a few simple ingredients and you're good to go. I'm going to do a toothpick caprese. Gotta have that red and white in here for 4th of July, Independence Day. So this is just a really great 4th of July appetizer because you got that red and white, so it's festive. I'm adding in some fresh basil also. So it's not really quite the red, white, and blue, but it's close. We got some red, white, and green. I love toothpick appetizers. They are so convenient. They're just a really great like finger food. You don't have to have a plate or get your fingers all messy. Really, really easy. I'm just gonna line these up. I have my cherry tomato, basil, and mozzarella. These are mozzarella pearls, and they just come in these little balls, just really easy. I really like them. They're just so fun to use in appetizers. So after all of these are all on the toothpicks, I'm going to drizzle with the same balsamic glaze that I used in the Triscuit appetizer. I get this at my Walmart. You can make your own glaze as well if you'd like, but I love this one. It's super easy. It's just a little drizzle and makes these so great. I hope you loved these 4th of July appetizers, party foods, fruit trays, and they're so fun to make and so festive for the holiday. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.